In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on class tracking in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing a business or a complex financial operation, tracking your classes in QuickBooks is a crucial step to keep everything organized and gain insights into where your resources are being allocated. With this feature, you can break down transactions and monitor them more effectively according to different categories or business units. Follow along as I guide you through the process, which will only take a few minutes. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Find the sign in button, give it a click, and you should be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you have your credentials at hand. After entering your details, go ahead and click continue. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Next, once you're inside QuickBooks, you will want to direct your attention to the settings icon. This is usually found in the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. You should select Account and Settings from this drop-down. This area is where you'll carry out most of your account customizations. In Account and Settings, your focus will now be on the Advanced tab. It's located on the menu to the left of your screen. Clicking Advanced will take you to a page filled with various customization settings aimed at fine-tuning how your system operates. Scroll a little bit until you see Categories. This setting is vital because it houses the class tracking feature you're looking to enable. Under Categories, you'll find a setting for track classes. This is what allows you to tag transactions by specific classes you want to track. Toggle the track classes setting on and it will activate the feature. At this point, you're about ready to save your changes, but take a moment to ensure everything is set as you would like it. With class tracking now turned on, your next step is to click Save. This button is crucial because without saving, all your efforts in settings adjustments won't be applied. The Save button confirms that your preferences are up to date. Lastly, click Done to exit out of the settings menu. This final step returns you to your main dashboard, where you can start utilizing the newly activated class tracking feature. Congratulations, you've successfully turned on class tracking in QuickBooks Online. Utilize this feature to refine your financial tracking and analysis, which can be particularly helpful for keeping tabs on project expenditures or departmental budgets. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials if you found this one helpful. See you next time.